I sometimes dream with my eyes open, seeing pre-unfolded, knowing like I was told this. I've got hope in myself, strategic with what I was dealt, articulating what was felt. Right now, I'm just an ordinary kid, or a young adult, rather, who seems to have a spark. Everybody sees my spark. They all tell me that I got it. I know I got it. But sometimes it's scary knowing that you got it. I've seen people waste it. This is me trying not to be wasteful. Whether I go far or not, that's a leap. I'll take it. I'm a dreamer, a believer. I'm a seer. I'm a seeker, a striver and a fighter. Come hell or high waters, gunshots and murders, I, Letlotlo The Maverick, will conquer.